you guys out. Little baby sumps. Whoa, he just flew by. He took off. See, there's one on the fence. Up here on the fence. And we got these little guys before. They look like little baby cardinals. If I can get his face good. I don't know what they are. Kingfishers? Little baby kingfishers. They're pretty small. I threw some decent bread out there. See if it'll fly back. It's waiting on his friend to come back. See if I can get him. He might take off because his friend jetted out of here. It's like they know the camera's on them. All these birds and hawks and stuff. They got a sixth sense for the camera, the frequency or something. Like the bird knows we're talking about it. Remember, come on back here, little birdie. Get down here and get some more bread. Move on. Where's your little partner at? There's two of them out there. Like I said, that one took off. Here it comes. Here they come. Whoop. He took the whole piece of bread and brought it over here by the other side of the garden. Dora took a piece anyway. Eating it somewhere else. I saw a catbird out there just a minute ago too. The catbird ran them off. Or what a catbird, it's like a oh, he took off too. Where'd he go? Your camouflage good. He took a big piece of bread and flew off with it somewhere else eating it. There's a catbird over there on the other side of the driveway. Alright, interesting things.